Hey everyone, Dave from the support team here, ready to dive into some awesome Canvas features like bleed, rulers, and the much anticipated guidelines. First off, let's tackle some common questions. What is a bleed? In the print and design world, bleed is the extra printing that extends beyond the trim edge of the sheet. This is crucial for ensuring your design looks seamless. Most graphic designers, printers, and even we here at Corjl stick to the standard 1/8 of an inch bleed, but feel free to adjust to fit your needs. For example, if you're working on a 5x7 design with a pattern or solid background anything but white, or design elements that you would partially like trimmed, you'll need to enable the bleed. This ensures your background stretches fully across the canvas, including the bleed area. Without it, customers might end up with a thin white strip after trimming, which is a no-go for full color or patterned backgrounds. Now let's chat about the rulers in Corjl. Rulers let you and your customer measure distances between objects easily. You can toggle them on or off, and they can sit either outside or right next to the artboard for easy access. To turn them on, just right-click anywhere on the canvas, select View, and find the ruler options, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-R on a PC or Command-R on a Mac. Rulers are super handy, especially when you're using guidelines. Guidelines help you line up elements perfectly and don't show up in the final print. To add them, right-click on the canvas, select Guides, and then drag the guideline from the ruler onto your canvas. For precise placement, click the double arrow where the rulers meet and input your X horizontal and your Y vertical positions. Do you need to move, lock, or clear your guidelines? Simply hover over the guideline to adjust. Right-click to find the options for locking them to avoid accidental shifts, or clear them out entirely if you need a clean slate. Wondering how to enable rulers, bleeds, or guidelines? You've got two spots to do that. One is in your global design settings. Click the profile icon on the top right-hand corner and select Settings in the drop-down menu. Now on the left panel, select Global Design Settings. In here, you will find these options. In the editor, click the Design Protections to enable it for your customers. And in the Design Settings view, under the Canvas settings, you can adjust the bleed dimensions. And that wraps up our deep dive into the essential Canvas features of bleed, rulers, and guidelines in Corjl. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@corjl.com. Keep designing, and I'll see you later.